She a ride or die, she sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady and I wanna show her that this love will last.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I haven't used glitter since I was like 17 and in high school, and I just pulled it out one day and I was like, I think I'm gonna use some glitter today. And then I tried a different technique and it ended up going really well. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. I used this e.l.f. lock-on liner in the color Espresso. So I'm using this Juvia's Place palette, the Warrior 2. Moment of silence for my black eyeshadow. But I'm going to be using this color right here as my transition color, and I'm going to throw it in my crease. Now that my transition color is down, I'm going to use this brown, dark brown, to create some depth. Oh, I have my, I guess, base shadow on. And I wasn't really particular on like how I blended it. I just kind of like blended it. I'm gonna fix it after I put my glitter on. It's the NYX Face and Body Glitter Brilliance. Like, it's just a regular silver color. And I think I paid like $5 for it. In order for my glue to stick, I'm gonna use my regular Duo Lash Glue, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. I'm gonna put it on my flat brush. This is just a regular brush from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna put, and I put like, I don't know, I just kind of eyeball it. I put too much, I just kind of put it. My technique to do this, because I have like kind of, not like totally hooded eyes, but kind of hooded, I keep my eyes open when I spread my glue. So I just look straight on into the mirror like this, and then I put my glue on. I wait till it gets a little tacky, just so like when I actually put the glitter on, it doesn't take forever to dry. To decrease the mess, I'll take my glitter and then I'll put it in the cap. So we're tacky enough. I'll take my glitter and then hack it on there. There's no special way I do this. I just pack it on there so I can cover as much surface area as I can. You see I don't have any fallout. It's because I waited a little bit longer for my glue to dry. If my glue was runny and wet, then I'd have all kinds of fallout. But because the glue was tacky and I packed it on there, I have like zero fallout from this glitter. Glitter is packed on. You see how holographic that is. It's gorgeous. One more step to do on the eyes, and it's to add our black. I was gonna use my black from my Juvia's Place palettes, but so we're gonna go with this black. It's still black, but it's not blacker than the black that I wanted. So I'm gonna use this Tarte Sex Kitten palette, just like barely enough on there, barely enough on my brush, and I'm gonna tap it off. I'm being so careful with this black. My ELF liquid liner in the color Jet Black, and I'm gonna give myself a subtle winged liner. So because I'm an impatient person, I'm gonna go ahead and put my glue on my lashes, and while my glue is drying, I'm going to prime my face. So to add even more pizzazz, drama, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna line my waterline with my ELF cream liner in the shade Black. I'm gonna do this off camera, so I'm gonna be back. So everybody that's been watching my makeup tutorials so far knows that before I put my foundation on, I use my airspun powder and I put it on first. I'm gonna be using the FitMe Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 338 or Spicy Brown. I'm going to pour it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna use my brush first to just spread the product on, and then after that, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I'm gonna use this FitMe Matte and Poreless setting powder in the color 330. I'm using this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Illuminati. I just have this lip gloss. Y'all know, the lip gloss from the beauty supply. It never fails. So here is your finished product. Ooh, girl. Even though I kind of messed up on the liner a little bit, but the lashes made it better. So you come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. In this case, it's going to be all of my other makeup tutorials that I've already done, plus the hair review for this hair, which is actually my first video of 2020. This is my second one. So I'll see y'all in my next video.